Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to see an high probability strategy for index. It is applicable both for Nifty and Bank Nifty. For stocks, I never did any backtest, but for Nifty and Bank Nifty, it worked very perfectly. Okay, we'll see the strategy first. The strategy is simple. Okay, we have to just focus on the yesterday's close candle. Okay, so before that I just want to tell you, like, use 15 minutes candle. Okay, not the 5 minutes, just plot the 15 minutes candle. Just see the color of the yesterday's close candle and today's open candle. Okay, if yesterday's close candle is red and today's open candle is red, then it is a sell day. Okay, sell whenever the low of yesterday's close candle or today's open candle broke, then do a sell. Okay, the stop loss is entry candles low. Target, if you are aggressive investor, just leave it till end of the day. If you want to do a conservative trade or trading, started your career, started trading recently, then just go with the nearest support. Okay, this is for sell. If yesterday's close candle is green and today's first opening candle is green, then it is a buy day. Okay, whenever the yesterday's close candle high or today's open candle any one is broken, then do a buy. Okay, sorry, here the stop loss is entry candles high for sell side. For buy side, it is entry candles low. Okay, for a sell, re-insist, it's a entry candles high is the stop loss. For the buy, it's entry candles low is the stop loss. Okay, and target is same. End of the day, if you are aggressive investor, if you are conservative trader, then just exit whenever the nearest resistance comes. Okay, and if there is a mix that the yesterday's candle is red and today's candle is green, then don't trade. Okay, see, the thing I'm not recommending to trade on that is that it will be very volatile. Okay, so it is advisable to don't trade on that day. Similarly, when there is a green and red, don't trade. Try to avoid those kind of days for the trading purpose. Try to focus only when you see the match of green or red. Okay, we'll see the strategy now. See here, this is Nifty, and I've taken a recent chart. This is the 3rd March. Sorry, 3rd March. Okay, see, here it is green, here it is green. So as per our strategy is what it is, a buy day. Okay, so whenever in these two candles, this is the high, right? 27th April's open candles high. So just see, whenever the open candle is broken, take a buy call here. Okay, just buy here, because just note it one more thing, that it is the candle should not just touch it, it should actually close above the entry candles high. Okay, so we cannot take a call here. Aggressive traders can take a call, but conservatively you can take a call here. Either you can exit here or you can exit at the end of the day. Okay, but anyhow, on average you will make 100 points, and this low is the stop loss. Okay, so similarly here, as you can see, both are green candle, then it is a buy. Which we, out of these two candles, which candle have which candles high is the higher? This candle high is the higher. So just check where it is, the high was just check where the high was broken. So this is the candle, will be taking a position here. So this is the stop loss. It's like, so here the resistance is very close, so maybe we can either, so here as you can see, the points was close to 150 points in this day. So you can wait till end of the day, or conservatively you can exit 100 points or 50 points, depends on your risk appetite. Okay, so here it is a red, it is a green, so it is a no trade day, and as you can see, the day was volatile. Okay, so ignore trading in this day. So here this is the red, this is the red, so this is the sell day. Which one have the lowest lows? This candle. So just go here, the low was broken here, so just take a entry here and see here, exit at the end of the day. Okay, still we made close to 100 points. Okay, just how many days? 1 2 3 4. In these 3-4 days we had a call at 3 days. One was no trading day. In these 3 days we made 100 points easily for each day. Okay, that's the power of this strategy, guys. Don't confuse much. Just see the yesterday's candle close and today's opening candle color. Just see the color of both the candles and take a call. It's so simple. And again here see here it is a red, the close was red, opening was red, but the red candle was never broken on the red candle low was never broken on downside. Okay, so will not be trading anything, will not be taking any trade during this day. Okay, so here as you can see both are green. This is the high, and we have taken a call here. Sorry, this we have taken a call here. The first target is in, second is once we reach the target. Okay, the stop loss is entry candle low. See here, the candles is not closed below the entry candles low. So here it is buy day, here it is a red, and again it is a green, then it is a no trade zone, again it is a sell here. Sorry, both are red, lowest of the low is this. So we'll be taking a position somewhere here, and we exit the position. So this also close to 250 points here, and here as you can see it's close to 600 points. So for just in 3 days there was a two no trade, and two we took a trade, and then we just gained 850 points in Bank Nifty. Even see conservatively what you can do is, instead of buying futures, you can take a position in options. Okay, buy a call and buy a put. Whenever there is a buy call, just buy a call option. When there is a sell call, just buy a put option. Okay, simple. And if you even want to be more conservative, just from the strike rate, whatever the strike price, just take 100 or 200 points above that for buy and below that for put, so that your investment will be very less, and you'll be making huge profit, guys. And to be frank, I did a back test of this strategy and it worked most of the time. Okay, most of the time is like it's more than 90% of the percentage of the time. The reason for that is, as I told you, the exit is where we it is like maybe like 5 points, 10 points, or maximum 20 points. Okay, but if you see the reward, it's close to like 100 points, 200 points from the from the Nifty side, and 600 to 800, 200, 300, 400 points from the Bank Nifty side. Okay, just see the risk reward ratio. Okay, for this strategy, the risk reward ratio is 1:20 plus. There are very few strategies in the market which give you this kind of risk reward strategy, guys. Like for gaining a 20 rupees, we are taking just risk of 1 rupee. Okay, so that's it, guys, from this video. Just maybe you can do the back test and let me know what you feel about this strategy. Thanks for watching this video, guys.